Hello, I'm George with FPV Tips, and today we're gonna have a look at what's new in FPV for August 2019. Perhaps the biggest news for the past month has been DJI's release of their new digital FPV system. It's definitely something interesting and worth keeping your eye on. The proposal is that you get 720p HD feed, while at the same time the air unit records at 1080p 60 fps, and you should get a low latency video transmission with a maximum range of up to 4 kilometers. You could set up the system either by just using the air unit and the camera on your drone and then the DJI digital FPV goggles, or you could also opt in to use their RC for long distance control as well. There are definitely a lot of things to consider before pulling the trigger on that one, so definitely do some research. There's plenty of review videos on YouTube that you could have a look at. Whatever the case, however, what excites me the most about this is that I honestly believe that this is a step in the right direction for the hobby, because it's hopefully going to bring us much closer to HD video. And in a perfect example of exactly why competition is a good thing, Fat Shark came out with an announcement of their own soon after the DJI announcement. Apparently Fat Shark is working on a product called Bite Frost. I assume maybe that's just a code name, I'm not sure. But the idea is again having HD FPV feed to your Fat Shark HDO goggles or HD trees. In other news, if you're a Mr. Steele fan, definitely check out the Michael Rollis interview with Mr. Steele. They go in a lot of detail about the early days of RotorRiot and pretty much cover Mr. Steele's whole origin story. And here are your recommended FPV channels to follow this month. If you're new to FPV and you've never heard of Joshua Bardwell, definitely make sure to follow his channel. You can find all sorts of very useful information there about all things FPV. And finally, make sure to follow FPV Tips on YouTube, as I'll be releasing a lot more content in the coming weeks.